Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn new lesson. There are parts of speech, 8 parts of speech are there na. So this is the one of the parts of speech. Okay. So adjectives. So adjectives will tell us about the more about the nouns. For example, you see words that tell us more about nouns. Any kind of nouns. Nouns are called adjectives or describing words. We can call it as adjectives or describing words. So describing words. For example, you see, Ravi is a tall boy. Ravi is a tall boy. Here, if you observe in this one, this is a sentence. So Ravi is a boy. Ravi is a Ravi is a boy. But what type of boy? Ravi is a tall boy or fat boy. You see, Ravi is a tall boy, we can say. Ravi is a fat boy, we can say. Ravi is a short boy, we can say. So these are the adjectives. So it gives you more impression to the boy. See, Ravi is a tall boy. Now you are asking, how is the Ravi? How he looks? Sometimes we say, are so and so person, he looks like a black in color, he is a very tall boy. Like this now we spoke. So it should see Ravi is a tall boy. Sometimes we say, so Ravi is a fat boy, you know. Which Ravi? So fat. So fat is the here describes. So it describes the noun. It describes the noun. So this is that's what we are calling adjectives. Okay, you see Sita. Sita is a good girl. Sita is a good girl. Sita is a good girl. Yeah. Sita is a good girl. Now you see, now we are talking about girl. So Sita is a good girl. But Sita is the what type of Sita? She is a bad girl or naughty girl. You see, for example, see bad. For example, see Sita is a good girl. Sita is a bad girl. Sita is a naughty girl. See, Sita is a naughty girl. Sita is a beautiful girl. You see, beautiful, correct, na? So like this, like this. So Sita is a beautiful girl. So these are the adjectives. These are the describing words. So but it shows the noun to more impress. So it gives you more power to the noun. So that's what we are telling. See, words that tell us more about nouns, more about the nouns. It tells more. So more about nouns are called describing words. These are like. Okay, for example, you see Sita has a egg. Sita has a egg. What type of egg she has? She has a beautiful egg or curly egg. What type of egg? Sita has a curly egg. See this one, huh? So Sita has a curly egg. So this is the adjective. This is the described word. So she shows. So she has a curly egg like this. So you have to understand these are this one. Now let us come to. So today they have given here think page number 48. Page number 48. Okay. Now you see. Have you read Rapunzel's story? This is the one of the story. The girl's name is Rapunzel's story. Let us complete it using the words given in the verse. So these are the golden, shellfish, tall, shining, small, beautiful. These are the adjectives. These are the describing nouns, describing words. Okay, now you see. So by using these words, we have to fill the blanks. We have to fill the story. See, once there was a girl named Rapunzel. She had a golden hair. She had a number one. You see. Here you see. She was locked in a tall tower. You see that tower how it is. See, it's a very tall tower. So tall is the describing. It is a tower is there. What type of tower? Tall tower. Tall tower by a shellfish woman. Okay. So shellfish. Okay. So tall. Then after that shellfish. Shellfish woman. Okay. Now you see that woman is telling, I wanted to. Okay. See that woman is telling, I want to. So here you see the Rapunzel is inside the room. So one of the women is locked here inside the room. So now that Rapunzel is telling, I want to go out and see the world. So you open the door, I want to go and see the world. Okay, now you see one day a small frog named Toad. So this is the one of the names. So, okay, you see Toady. Toady is just one type of small frog type. Okay, so Toady. So one day a small frog named Toady. The small frog name is Toady. Okay, climbed up the tower. He gave a shining crown to Rapunzel. Okay, so shining. This is the shining. Shining crown to Rapunzel. Okay, then after that you see Toady helped Rapunzel to come out of the tower. Who helped here? Toady helped that Rapunzel to come out of the tower. She was very excited to see the beautiful world. Here you see, so beautiful are the beautiful. Beautiful world. So this is the what the story. Okay. Now you see everything you have to fill it. First one, second, third, fourth, 5, 6 like this. Okay, you fill it. Now you see learn. What do you think is common to the words you have written? These words describe the naming words. We say the naming words also. Describing words we say, naming words we say. For example, golden. You see example, golden describes a. See, C has a golden describes a. Now you see golden describes here na. You see if you observe here you see that Rapunzel has a golden. So golden is a. So it describes to the a. Golden a. Right. So golden a. So it describes to the a. What type of a? Golden a. Okay, golden. So it describes to the a. Golden a. Okay. So this is what the dear children story. And exercise here you see. Exercise here you see. These are the forms you have to fill it up. Exercise. So now you see exercise A. Exercise A you see. Shashi has a magic umbrella. It allows only drops with adjectives to fall on the ground. Which drops do you think will fall on the ground? Okay, for example, you see they have given here lion, dropping, weight, kind, tall, short, king, eye, thin, pig, fat, you. So here everything is mixed up. So we have to write only adjectives. So you see tall is the here adjective. They have already given. And kind also, and tall, short also adjective. Correct na? Thin also adjective. Thin. Okay, fat also adjective. Wet also adjective, and kind also adjective. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are all the adjectives we have to write in the here by seeing this picture. Exercise A. Okay, you write this one tomorrow. We will start this one. Okay, this things under tomorrow we will start. Exercise B under we will start. Today what you have listened, that one you will listen. Tomorrow we will start another things. Thank you so much.